Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. Recently, we have updated about RSI strategy. So where there is a RSI is breaking below the 60-70, 69.8, or it is back above the 30.2. That was giving you such a wonderful result on a daily basis, and also it is working for a intraday as well, right? So now this video I am going to discuss something about the positional trading based on the same concept. So how we can do effective positional trading based on this concept. So that is also working well, and that I'm going to discuss here, and I'm going to create the scanner based on that. So how we can effectively use that for a positional and even positional options strategy. So many of them requesting to do the positional strategy in options. So that's why I'm going to make this video. Again, if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. If you like this video, hit a like button and share to your friends if you liked my videos. So let's move on to the video. This is the condition for RSI sell daily. So where the latest RSI 14 crossed below the number 69.8, and the previous day RSI should be greater than number 70. So what I am going to use here to take a trade on positional basis, this will help you to find out an intraday opportunity. This scanner will find you to take an intraday opportunity that will in intraday basis you can close your position. But right now I'm going to discuss about the positional trading, how we can do. The simply I'm going to do with the weekly RSI. So I'm going to take a weekly RSI, not about the daily RSI. Even I'm going to take weekly RSI for a longer the duration, and also it will give you a positional kind of trade. It is not for an intraday positional trade. Let's we change this code, the simple, the latest weekly, that is a weekly RSI closed below 69.8, and 1 week ago RSI should be greater than 70. That is the changes in this code. There is no other changes in this code. It's simply giving you those stock which present based on the parameter which is happening on the stock. So let's be save as this scan RSI sell weekly. Okay, oh my god, RSI sell weekly. I have submitted the scanner now. So the scanner is ready because we are not changing anything, because it's a simple logic will help you to find out lot of things. Can you see RSI weekly 1 week ago RSI is greater than number, so lot more stocks we got it, lot of stocks we got it. Let you see that. And where we are going to back test, this is happening on 15th November. So it's showing you the only 15th November. Why it's showing you the only 15th November? Because this weekly RSI it's compounded by a 1 week time frame. So if you are tracking this on a real time basis, if you are tracking this on a real time basis, then only you know at what date we are going to get the alerts, right? That is what the little bit confusion here, but there is not an exact thing. So if you are tracking this for a real time, you will be getting the exact date where that conversion is happened. So let's see lot of stocks, Bose, so it is not a good volume, so I leave it. In option trading it's not good. And can you see the Larsen Toubro B? So here we are focusing for a selling opportunity, those stock which is we are going to focus from the bottom to top. So or we can start by the Bose Limited and BEL. Let's see BEL what happened. This is about a weekly chart, right? This is about the weekly chart. So this week it is totally down. From it has started somewhere around 225, now it is 208, and previous week it is rallied very big from 201 to 228. So last week it performed well, and it is totally negative for this week. So this weekly scanner will provide you the RSI levels which is crossing below on weekly basis. It is not by daily basis, it is a purely weekly basis. So the previous week it is go above the RSI 70, and current week it is goes below the 70. If you are focusing a daily time frame, this RSI in daily time frame, RSI is not trigger over a 70, but if you are checking that weekly time frame, the RSI may have triggered by this week, and the weekly time frame is started from 15 to 20, that is last day, that is what 15 to 19th. This is the weekly time frame. This stock may trigger any of this day, right? So if you are tracking this, we may be getting a good opportunity by positional way, but this week it is this particular week it may be giving the signal maybe yesterday or day before yesterday, or maybe a Tuesday or maybe a Monday. So we don't know because we are not tracking this, but right now this stock was in selling mode. We got it as of now, but the exact entry point we don't know till, because it is already happened. So we are not going to confirm at what point of the day it happening the signal, maybe the day 1 or day 2 or any point of the day during it may happen. So if you are focusing for a next week from Monday to Friday, you can easily find out those stock which is forming if you are tracking the scanner. So if you have any stock which forms a Tuesday, so there is a good opportunity where we can take a positional trade for that week, or even a continuation of the next week also, because it is a trend where it is reversed at the highest level, even it may be continue the trend. So the logic behind the trade, we are going to find out at which date the signal is triggered. But here it is already triggered, we don't know exactly when, what is the date it triggered. But if you're seeing the daily chart, it is continuously going for a down for a last 5 days. So maybe it may be triggered here or here or here, wherever it may be. So if you are checking from last 4 days, it is what started moving down. Recent high is 228. If you are buying a 230 put option, still it is making you money, right? This is the one stock. But for example, if you go for a back test about this strategy, so what happened, some stock which present on last week November 8, so Hindu Hotel, Dixon, so these are the stock which is happening on the last week, that is a 8 to that closing days is 8 to 12, but it's showing you opening date only, right? So do you understand? But on this 8 to 12, we don't know what exactly date it happened. 8 to 12, it may some day or 8 or 9 or 10 or 11 or 12, any point of the day it triggers. But as per closing of this week, these stocks confirms the RSI breaks closed below 69.8, right? So maybe this stocks gives you in this week entry, middle of this week entry, or the entry was happening by at this week. As a positional trader, if you are focusing for that kind of opportunity on that particular stock, let's go for a Hindu Hotel. Oh my god, Hindu Hotel, what happened? Hindu Hotel, there it is. On 8th of this, so can we go for a weekly chart? First week, it is around 214.3. It is closed because it may be triggered any point of the day during of this week. But at the end of this week, if you are comparing to the checking that the price is lesser than the previous week close, so maybe the option may be giving you profit, or if you are doing the trade, that may be profitable. So this week also it is going down. We got the entry on the starting of the 8th November week, and next week also it is going down. So maybe the profitable trade, if you are tracking with the positional basis, there is an opportunity to make profit. And another stock is Dixon IOC. Dixon, that is also compared to previous 5,400, it is coming to 5,230 and closed by 88, somewhere around 20 point plus, but it made a low. So that point of the time we may be having the chances to make profit. And Bank Baroda IOC, let's see IOC weekly basis. Here last week closed is 132 and now it is 127. It made a low, so there is a 5 rupees down if you are buying options. So there is a chances to make profit in this also. IOC and Bank of Baroda, ICICI Bank. Let's see ICICI Bank, what happened. See, this is the week. Previous week the closing price is 776. This week is 756, almost 20 points down. There is a day, this is a week where we got an opportunity. Oh my god, in weekly chart it is like a shooting star, inverted hammer like that. So after breaking below the level 758.85, it is coming down lower. Okay, no problem. So this strategy will works on a daily positional basis on weekly time frame RSI. That was giving you such a great opportunity. But this back tested, a lot of things is happening. you can track with that. And but if you are watching this at a real time, so let's go for a State Bank of India recently triggered. I think yesterday it triggered, right? That is the meaning. Yesterday it triggers on weekly RSI triggers. Yes, yesterday only the weekly RSI going below that particular level of 16. These are the stocks which is triggers by yesterday or maybe trigger previously, but we need to track in a real time. So once we are tracking that, we will getting exactly what the date it is triggered, and it is perfect pattern. It is, and it to previous close 511, and this was a 491. That is also moving well as per our direction. Okay, so that is the thing which we are going to apply for that. And the second one, so where we are weekly RSI crossed above for a buy signal, crossed above 30.2. okay, and 1 week ago RSI is less than here 30. So this is what a RSI buy. So I'm going to save as RSI bi-weekly. So that is what we are already using the daily, and now I'm going to focus for a positional trade based on this concept. So how it is working, let's track in a real market, and we will do on a paper trade. So once you get a confident, then go for a real trade. Okay, so now RSI sell weekly, and these are the stocks, and let's go for a RSI bi-weekly. The scanner is very simple, powerful, but it is powerful. And oh my god, if you see the RSI weekly, no stocks, so only few stocks, October 12, and here what is the stock on the day of Aura Pharma on 23/8. Oh my, long term back, Aura Pharma, which is happening 23/8 means which week? RSI below 30, and it recovered this week. After this week, we got this particular week, one day we got an opportunity from 710 is the closing price. Next week it is 760, somewhere around 50-point movement within a week. So that is an opportunity in Aura Pharma. And what about the second stock? You can see that APLLT, Albumic Pharma, I think. Yes. This is happening by this next week or 308 maybe 23 this week. After this week, in this week, any one of the day we may be getting trigger, right? And the same week it is closed 742. Next week is not moving, and it taken 4 weeks to give you a result. From 774 it is went up to 840, somewhere around 60 points, but it required 4 weeks to hold the position. That was happening 30th August. Means where if you are playing a September contract, there is an opportunity to make profit, right? But market is overall in bullish mode, and there is we are waiting for any correction or other things. But the selling opportunity is big. When the market is going down, we will trying for a buying opportunity, because the base concept where I am creating a scanner is about buy at low and sell at high. That's the main concept. I am creating the lot of scanners is based on only buying at a lowest level and selling at a highest level. So this is the two scanner which we have created now. So next week, from Monday to next week, and also new contract is going to start for next week, and we are not going to take a trades for a next week, because only intraday trades we can play. Because of positional trade, it required high margin, and also physical delivery is going to start by Monday onwards. So some brokers is allowing to trade, someone is not allowing to trade. So that is the reason we are not going to take. And also if you are playing with the options in the last week of the expiry, having time value, having big drawback about option bias, so we are going to stay away from that, and we will see what will happen. And this will help you to find out positional trade, where you are going to make such a good opportunity in option, or even a future. Even you can try with the delivery of stocks also, equity also you can try with that. And I hope this video may be useful to you all. If you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends, and comment on this video if you have any doubt. Thank you for watching this, and thank you very much.